Imagine you're planning a trip to Japan. You've booked your flights, accommodation, and even planned out your itinerary. But then you realize, how are you going to pay for all those delicious ramen bowls, quirky souvenirs, and maybe even a ride on the bullet train? That's where YouTrip comes in. But can you actually use it to pay online? Let's find out. Understanding YouTrip. YouTrip is a multi-currency travel card that allows you to hold and spend 10 different currencies. It's like having a bunch of different wallets in one, all without the hassle of carrying physical cash. But can you use it for online purchases? The online shopping dilemma. When it comes to online shopping, there are a few things to consider. Currency conversion. Some online stores might charge a conversion fee when you pay in a foreign currency. Security. Online transactions can be risky, especially when you're using a card from a different country. Merchant acceptance. Not all online merchants accept foreign cards, especially if they're smaller or less established. YouTrip and online payments. So, can you use YouTrip to overcome these challenges? Let's break it down. Currency conversion. YouTrip uses MasterCard's wholesale exchange rates, which are generally more favorable than what you might find at a currency exchange. This means you'll get a better deal when converting your money. Security. YouTrip has built-in security features like 3D secure authentication to protect your transactions. This means you'll need to provide additional verification steps to complete your purchase, adding an extra layer of protection. Merchant acceptance. Most online merchants accept MasterCard, which means YouTrip should be accepted as well. However, there might be some exceptions, especially if the merchant is based in a country that doesn't have a strong relationship with Singapore, where YouTrip is headquartered. Tips for using YouTrip online. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using YouTrip for online purchases. Check the merchant's policy. Before making a purchase, check the merchant's website to see if they accept foreign cards. Use a VPN. If you're having trouble with a particular merchant, try using a VPN to change your IP address. This might help you bypass any regional restrictions. Contact YouTrip support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to YouTrip's customer support team. They're always happy to help. So, can you pay online with YouTrip? The short answer is yes, you can. While there might be a few exceptions, YouTrip is generally a great option for making online purchases while traveling. With its favorable exchange rates, security features, and wide merchant acceptance, it's a convenient and hassle-free way to manage your finances on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.